Welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. Now Brahmanads. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in previous class we discussed the integration of the function, product of function using by parts method. Some more problems are discussed. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss the integration of some rational functions using partial fraction method. At first we should know what is partial fraction and what is rational function. First we should know what is rational function, what is proper fraction, what is improper fraction, and what do we mean by partial fraction. Okay. Now rational functions, the functions which are in the form of p of x divided by q of x, where p of x is a polynomial and q of x is a polynomial, provided q of x not equal to 0. Okay. If the polynomial functions are in fraction type, then it is called a rational function. Clear? So first we have to write what is rational function. A rational function, the function which are in the form of p of x divided by q of x. Clear? Where q of x not equal to 0, q of x not equal to 0, then the functions are called rational functions. Then the functions are called a rational function. Okay. So what is rational function means here the functions which are in the form of px by qx, where qx not equal to 0, and we can also write px and qx are polynomial functions. Clear? p of x and q of x are polynomial functions. Both are polynomial function. Okay. For example, this is f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by x cube plus 3s minus 1. This is polynomial and this is polynomial. So the function is called, this is called a rational functions. Okay. This is called a rational functions. Clear? What do you mean by rational function? Now what is proper rational, what is improper rational? Now proper rational function or fraction, improper rational function or fraction. Okay, px by qx, that is px by qx is said to be proper, if degree of px less than degree of qx. For example, this is f of x is equal to x square plus 1 divided by, suppose you are given x fourth plus 2x square minus 5. This is proper. Because degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, so it is called proper fraction. Okay, in case of the rational function. Now what is improper fraction? Improper rational function or fraction. Clear? Px by qx is said to be improper if degree of px greater than or equal to degree of qx. Okay, for example, x cube plus 2x minus 1 divided by x to the 5 plus 3x square minus 7. This is f of x, so this is improper. Clear? This is improper. Correct? If the degree of is less in the numerator, then it is what? Then it is proper. If degrees of the numerator is greater than degree of denominator, then it is called improper. Now, what is partial fraction? Partial fraction means we have to make parts of the rational function which is in proper fraction. If the function is improper, then we have to make the function is proper, applying division algorithm. Clear? Applying division algorithm. Now let's discuss about the partial fraction. Okay, the things should kept in mind. Note 1, if the function is proper, then we can use partial fraction directly. We can use partial fraction directly. If the function is proper, then we can directly use partial fraction. Clear? Number two, if the function is improper, then first apply division concept, division method as px divided by qx. Px divided by qx is equal to quotient plus remainder by divisor. Okay, this is polynomial form, this is polynomial form, and this is what? Proper fraction, and this is proper fraction. Here we can use partial fraction. Clear? If the function is proper form, then we can use directly proper fraction, partial fraction method. If the function is improper, then apply division algorithm and apply the formula dividend by divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder by divisor. Here this is dividend, and this is divisor. Clear? Now what is partial fraction? Partial fraction means we have to break part. Okay, now if some tricks, methods and procedure of the partial fraction if the function is proper fraction. Now let's see the method of partial fraction. Partial fraction method. Okay, partial fraction method. Suppose px by qx, where qx not equal to 0 and the degree of px less than degree of qx. That is we can say px by qx is proper if p of by qx is proper fraction. So here types of proper fraction. Here this is rules to make partial fraction. Okay, px by qx, that is types of partial fraction, proper fraction, and this is how to make the partial fraction. Case 1 or cases of proper fraction, or cases we can say cases of proper fraction. Case 1 px by qx, where q of x is in the form of non-repeated linear functions, linear factors, non-repeated linear factors. That is, p px divided by, suppose you are given a1x plus b1, a2x plus b2, dot dot an x plus bn, like this. All are linear and non-repeated. Then what is rule? Here, what is rule to make partial fraction? This is let px by this factor a1x plus b1, a2x plus b2, dot dot an x plus bn is equal to what? a1 by a1 x plus b1, a2 by a2x plus b2, dot dot up to an by an x plus bn. Okay, so, and what is the rule? Take LCM. Take LCM of RHS and then cancel the denominator of LHL, LHS and RHS. And how to find? Where here a1, a2, a3 dot dot an are unknowns. Here a1, a2 dot dot n are unknowns, unknown constants. Okay, unknown constants. And take LCM of the right hand side, then cancel the denominators of LCS left hand side. Take LCM of the RHS, then cancel the denominator of LHS and RHS both. Then we have to make one term 0. Then values of unknown constants can be determined by elimination method or by comparing corresponding coefficients, Clear? This is case 1. Now case 2 is what? Now case 2 is equal to, this is case 1. Now case 2. Case 2 px by qx, where is, suppose a px by qx is proper and q of x as repeated linear factors, qx has repeated linear factors, that is this is rule to partial fraction, rule for partial fraction. Okay, that is px by, suppose this is a1x plus b1 whole to the power r, a2x plus b2 like this. Okay, like this. Suppose 3 terms, a3x plus b3, suppose 3 terms. then, or suppose two terms, this will be very lengthy, or suppose two terms, then let px by a1x plus b1 whole together and a2x plus b, this is. First we have to write here a1 by a1x plus b1 power 1 means this, then a2 by a1x plus b1 power 2 dot dot like this. ar divided by a1x plus b1 whole to the power r plus another constant, suppose ar plus 1 divided by a2x plus b2. ये आम a1 a2 a3 नहीं पारिबा नले a b c d जेहेतु आमर पार्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स थिबो एटा n नंबर्स ऑफ कहिछि जदि पार्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ टर्म थिबो तमे a b c d मध्ये लिखि परिबो. ओके, एनी कांस्टेंट लिखि परिबा, जण कहबा l1 l2 l3 लिखबी, एनी कांस्टेंट यू कैन राइट. क्लियर? दिस इज केस 2. एंड व्हाट इज केस 3? व्हाट इज केस 3? Case 3, if px by qx is proper and q of x has a repeated, q of x as a quadratic factor, as a quadratic factor, as quadratic factor. That is, suppose you are given px by qx means what? Ax squared plus bx plus c, which cannot be factorizable, suppose. Then, and this is suppose lx plus m. Then what is the rule? This is rule for partial fraction. Rule for partial fraction. So what is rule? Let px divided by ax square plus bx plus c into lx plus m. Clear? This is equal to what? First write quadratic term here. So first, if you write first quadratic form, then it is the numerator is, mind it, the numerator is some constant into x plus another constant, suppose a2. Clear? Plus a3 divided by lx plus mi. Same process where a1 a2 a3 are unknown constant, we have to find the values of a1 a2 a3 etc. by elimination method or by comparing corresponding coefficients. These are the three important methods, method cases. If the function is quadratic, then repeated, then apply for the quadratic rule and apply for the repeated rule. Three main cases. If the cases is, another case is, this is quadratic and this is repeated and this one is non-repeated. So you have to use for quadratic factor rule and repeated rule and linear rule, non-repeated linear rule. Okay. Now some examples. Problem based on case 1. What is problem based case 1? problems based on case 1. Problems based on case 1, that is denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. Non-repeated linear factors. Denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. Okay. Some questions. Suppose integrate. Question number 1. Integrate 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 dx. Okay, how to integrate this? Multiply this. If you multiply this, then what is the degree of this denominator? Degree of denominator is 2. Here degree of numerator equal to 1. So it is proper. Clear? So it is proper. Solution: integration 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 2x minus 1 into ds. This is, let 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 is equal to a by x plus 3 plus b by 2x minus 1. Okay, so and simplify this. This is 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. A LCM, what LCM is? Here we can write a1, a2, a3. Though it is only two form, then we can write a, b, c, etc. Okay. तुम्हें लिखिपर ए जो कॉन्स्टेंट अननोन कॉन्स्टेंट ए बी सी लिखिपर एनी कॉन्स्टेंट लिखिपर. ओके, a1 a2 लिखले भी चलिए. सो a इंटू 2x minus 1 plus b into what x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. Cancel. Now what is here? This is equal to, remain here, 2x plus 3 is equal to a into 2x minus 1 plus b into x plus 3. एमती लिनियर नॉन रिपीटेड थिले एलिमिनेशन मेथड रे हे परिबो हला. ए टर्मडा केते पकेले 0 हबो ना 2x minus 1 equal to 0 हबा दरकार. तो 2x minus 1 equal to 0. ओके, ए टर्मडा मते 0 करियो पड़ियो. केम करिवा ना 2x minus 1 is equal to rough for this is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to what? 1 by 2. Clear? So put x is equal to what? Put x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 पकड़े 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3 a into 0 plus what? b into 1 by 2 plus 3. So 2 to cancel. This is 1 plus 3 4. So 4 is equal to what? 4 is equal to 0 and this is 6 plus 1 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into what? b. So b is equal to what? Now b is equal to 8 by 7. The value of b is equal to 8 by 7. Now eliminate this term. x value केते पुट कले 0 हबो? -3 पुट कले हबो 0. So put x is equal to -3. x is equal to -3 put kale this 0 and 2 into what is 2 into -3 plus 3. 2 into -3 plus 3 a into is equal to a into 2 into 3, that is 2 into -3. Okay, and this is what? -1 plus b into 0. So this is -6 plus 3. So -3 and a into this is -6 minus 1. -6 minus 1 -7. Clear? So minus cancel. So a is equal to what? A is equal to 3 by 7. A equal to 3 by 7. Now this form is equal to what? Now the integration is 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 2x minus 1 is equal to a by means what? 3 by 7 by x plus 3 plus b by b means 8 by 7 divided by 2x minus 1. Now integration of 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 into 2x minus 1 dx is equal to 3 by 7 constant. So 1 by what? X plus 3 dx plus 8 by 7 constant 1 by 2x minus 1 dx. Clear? Okay, then this is equal to 3 by 7. What is formula for this? This is formula. What formula? Now 1 by ax plus b into ds is equal to 1 by a log ax plus b plus c. This is formula. So this is 3 by 7. A means what? A means here. A means what? This is a. A means 1. So log of what? Log of mode of x plus 3 plus 8 by 7 here and 1 by 2x minus 1. Here a is equal to, so 1 by 2 into log of 2x minus 1 plus c. So that is what? 3 by 7 plus c. That is 3 by 7 log of x plus 3 mode plus cancel here 4 by 7 log of 2x minus 1 plus c. This is final answer. Clear? This is problem based on the case 1. Now two formula. Formula number 1, that is integration. Formula number 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a mode divided by x plus a plus c. Okay. Second one is integration 1 by a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. These are the two formula which can be proved using partial fraction. So proof of first formula. Proof. What is here? Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx. So this is equal to what? Integration of 1 by x minus a into x plus a dx. This is proper fraction because degree of the numerator is 0 here degree of denominator is 2, so degree of numerator less than degree of denominator, so it is proper. Let's 1 by x minus a into 1 by x plus a is equal to a by x minus a plus b by x plus a, and simplify this LCM cancel. 1 is equal to a into x plus a plus b into x minus a. Clear? So now eliminate this. Put x is equal to what? Put x is equal to minus a. So this will be 0. Left hand side 1, and this is a into 0. 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 2a. So that is equal to minus 2a into b is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 by 2a. This is value of b. Now eliminate this. Now eliminate second term. Put x is equal to a. So left side 1 is equal to a. This is a plus a, 2a, and this is b, 0. Clear? So that is a is equal to what? 1 by 2a. This is value of a. Now what is here? Integration of what? X minus a into x plus a dx is equal to a by a means what? 1 by 2a common and 1 by what? X minus a dx plus b means what? Plus b means here minus 2a, 1 by minus 2a, 1 by x plus 1 a into dx. So 1 by 2a into log x minus a mod minus 1 by 2a log x plus a mod. So 1 by 2a constant, log of x minus a minus log of x plus a, that is log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. This is answer. Similarly, we can prove the second formula. Okay. Similarly, we can prove the second formula. Similarly, proof of formula number 2. So integration 1 by a square minus x square dx. So this is equal to what? 1 by a plus x into a minus x ds. This is also proper. So let's 1 by a plus x into a minus x is equal to a by a plus x plus b by a minus x. जदि नॉन रिपीटेड थी सिंगल ओनली कांस्टेंट ऊपर रोथबो a by b by c by तीनटा तिल तीनटा रे. So this is equal to simplify. So what? 1 by cancel हो LCM डा 1 is equal to a into a minus x plus b into a plus x. So cancel this. So 1 is equal to, eliminate this. Put x is equal to a. This is equal to 0. Now a1 is equal to, this is 0. 0 plus b into 2a. So what is here? b is equal to 1 by 2a. b equal to 1 by 2a. Right? b is equal to 1 by 2a. Now put x is equal to, put x is equal to here, put x is equal to a here, a minus a0, and put x is equal to minus a here. Okay, minus a here. So this is 0, 1 is equal to, this is a and this is what? And this is b and this is a minus a. So a plus a, that is 2a. Then a is equal to 1 by 2a. Now integration. What? Now integration 1 by a plus x into a minus x dx is equal to value of a, that is 1 by 2a, integration of 1 by a plus x dx, and value of 2a, that is 1 by 2a, integration 1 by a minus x into dx. Clear? So 1 by 2a cancel, 1 by 2 common. So integration, this is what? This is log of a plus x. Here 1 by 2a, mind it. What is x coefficient here? Minus 1. So 1 by here, that is 1 by minus 1 into log of a minus x plus c. Very important this, because x coefficient 1 by x coefficient formula, so x coefficient minus 1 here, so this is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 2 here, so 1 by 2a common, this is log of a plus x minus log of a minus x plus c, so this is equal to 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x plus c. This is proof of the second formula. Okay. Questions. Integrate x square plus 1 divided by x plus 2 x plus 4 x plus 6 dx. Here degree of numerator is 2, if multiply the denominator then its degree is 3, so it is proper fraction. Clear? Here degree of numerator is 2, if we multiply the terms of the denominator then its degree will be what? 3. So degree of the numerator less than degree of the denominator, so it is proper fraction. So apply the rule, that is let x square plus 1 divided by x plus 2 x plus 4 into x plus 6 is equal to, here 3 non-repeated linear factors, so let this is equal to a by x plus 2 plus b by x plus 4 plus c by x plus 6. Clear? So taking LCM and cancel the factors, this is equal to x square plus 1, x square plus 1 is equal to what? Take LCM, so this cancel, left hand side the factor x plus 2 x plus 4 x plus 6 is cancelled if we take LCM of this. Okay, so this is equal to a into x plus 4 into what? X plus 6 plus b into x plus 2 into x plus 6 plus c into x plus 2 into x plus 4. So what will be here? This is equal to, eliminate first term, put x is equal to minus 4, x बदल माइनस 4 पकड़े ये 0 हम आउ ये 0 हम फास्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म 0 हो, तो माइनस 4 पकड़े है 16 प्लस 1 a इंटू 0 प्लस b इंटू वाट माइनस 4 ये प्लस 2 माइनस 2 ये माइनस 4 ये माइनस 4 प्लस 6 दिस इज प्लस 2 and c this is 0. So 17 is equal to what? 17 is equal to b into 4. Now b is equal to 17 by 4. Again eliminate second term, x equal to put x is equal to minus 2. Again put x is equal to minus 2, put x is equal to minus 2. So this term 0 minus 2 and this term 0. So remaining only a term. So minus 2 the square, 4 plus 1 a into minus 2 plus 4 and this is minus 2 plus 6 and these terms are 0. So what is here? That is 5 is equal to a into this is 2 and this is 4, 2 4. So what is a? That is a is equal to 5 by 8. This is 2 and this is 4. 8. 8 a equal to 5. A equal to 5 by 8. Again, put x is equal to what? First put कले x equal to minus 4. Second put कले x is equal to minus 2. रहिला के 6 में रहिला x plus 6 में रहिला. Put x is equal to minus 6. Again, put x is equal to minus 6. Again, put x is equal to minus 6. तो minus 6 a term 0 होबो, first term 0 होबो, second term 0 होबो, third term रहिला, that is minus 6 हेले 36 plus 1, first term 0 होबो, second term 0 होबो, रहिला c into minus 6 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2, minus 4, and this is minus 6 plus 4. Okay, minus 6 plus 4, this is minus 2. So 8c is equal to 37. 8c is equal to 37. C is equal to what? 37 by 8. Here value of A, value of B and A and C are calculated. So now integration is equal to what? Now integration of x square plus 1 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 4 into x plus 6 dx is equal to what? This is equal to A means value of A is equal to 5 by 8. So this is equal to 5 by 8 constant 1 by what? X plus 2 dx plus B means what? B is equal to 17 by 4. B equal to 17 by 4, right? This is value of B, and put x is equal to what? Minus 4. This cancel, minus 4 plus 2, so minus 2, and this is minus 4 plus 6, correct. So B is equal to 17 by 4 into 1 by what? 1 by x plus 4 dx, and C is equal to 37 by 8 into 1 by what? 1 by x plus 6 dx. So answer will be 5 by 8 log of x plus 2 mod 17 by 4 log of x plus 4 mod 37 by 8 log of mod of x plus 6 plus c. This is answer of case number 1. Now another question. Now problem based on case number 2.